Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Creating a form directly within Outlook often refers to two main methods for gathering information. First, for quick polls or decisions, you can use voting buttons. Open a new email message. Navigate to the Options tab in the ribbon. Look for the Tracking a Group and click Use Voting Buttons. You can choose from predefined options like Approve, Reject, or Yes, No. For custom choices, select Custom. And type your desired options, separating each one with a semicolon. For example, Option A, Option B, Option C, send the email, and recipients can select their answer directly within the message. You'll then see their responses. The second, more robust way to create a form that you send from Outlook is by using Microsoft Forms. This method allows for more complex questions and data collection. Go to forms.office.com in your web browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click New Form or a new quiz. Design your form with various question types, like multiple choice, text input, or ratings. Once your form is complete, click the Collect Responses button. Copy the generated link. Now, return to your Outlook email. Paste the Microsoft Forms link directly into your email body. When recipients click the link, they will be taken to your full-featured form to complete it. This provides a much richer survey or data collection experience than simple voting buttons. Both of these approaches allow you to effectively create and distribute forms using Outlook.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.